வணக்கம். ரீஃப்ரெஷர் கோர்ஸ் மாடியூல் 2021 to 2022 9th Standard Science English Medium Lesson number 3 Light Refresher Course Evaluation Answers. Answer in one word. Question number 1. The spherical mirror with a reflecting surface curved outward is called. Answer option B, concave mirror. Question number 2. The spherical mirror is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicle is dash. Answer option B, convex mirror. Question number 3. The mirror used in solar cooker is dash. Answer option B, concave mirror. Question number 4. If the image and object size is the same, the object is placed at dash. Answer option B, at C. Question number 5. The mirrors used in narrow and delicate curved road are dash. Answer option B, convex mirror. Question number 6. Kaleidoscope works on the principle of dash. Answer option C, multiple reflection. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Image formed by a convex mirror is always dash in size. Answer small. Question number 2. The distance from the pole to the focus is called dash. Answer focal length. Question number 3. Nature of the images formed by a convex mirror is dash. Answer virtual, erect and diminished. Question number 4. Two mirrors are parallel to each other, then the number of image formed is dash. Answer infinity. Question number 5. The mirror used by the ophthalmologist to examine the eyes is dash. Answer concave mirror. Answer the following. Question number 1. The center of the sphere from which the convex mirror is made is called its pole. Say true or false. Answer false. Question number 2. What is the formula for calculating the images formed between plane mirrors? Answer n is equal to 360 degree divided by theta into minus 1. Theta equal to angle below the mirrors. Question number 3. Differentiate concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror. A spherical mirror in which the reflection of light occurs at its concave surface is called a concave mirror. These mirrors magnify the object placed close to them. The most common example of a concave mirror is the makeup mirror. Convex mirror. A spherical mirror in which the reflection of light occurs at its convex surface is called convex mirror. The image formed by this mirror is smaller than the object. Most common convex mirror are rear viewing mirrors used in vehicle. Question number 4. What are the types of reflections? Reflection can be classified into two types, namely regular reflection and irregular reflection. Question number 5. Define focal length. The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length f of a spherical mirror. Question number 6. Give any two applications of a concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror. Point number 1. Concave mirror are used while applying makeup or shaving as they provide a magnified image. Point number 2. They are used in torches, searchlights, and headlights as they direct the light to a long distance. Convex mirror. Point number 1. Convex mirror are used in vehicles as rear view mirrors because they give an upright image and provide a wider field of view as they are curved outwards. Point number 2. They are found in the highways of various buildings including hospitals, hotels and schools. Question number 7. State the laws of reflection. Answer. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all the lie in the same plane. The angle of incidence I and the angle of reflection are always equal. Question number 8. Define the reflecting index of a medium. Mu is equal to speed of light in a air c divided by speed of light in the medium v. Question number 9. Take a plane mirror and focus the light coming from the sun on a wall. Can you see a bright spot on the wall? How does it occur? It is because the light rays falling on the mirror are bounced onto the wall. Can you produce the same bright spot with the help of any other object having a rough surface? Answer. When sunlight falls on the plane mirror, it forms the bright spot on the wall due to regular reflection by smooth surface. When sunlight falls on the rough surface, it does not form the spot due to irregular reflection. Question number 10. List out various convex and concave mirrors used in daily life. Concave mirror, shaving mirror, makeup mirror. Convex mirror, Rear view mirror, mirror used on road where they are sharp curve.